Hello, I'm Pushkar and I'm discussing KVPY 2019 SX Part 2 chemistry paper. Here is a question from mole concept. 3 grams of an oxalic acid, COH whole twice H2 is dissolved in a solvent to prepare a 250 ml solution. The density of the solution, the resulting solution is 1.9 grams per ml. We have to find the molality and normality of the solution. Now, to get the normality, we need to know the N factor. And COH whole twice, if it is acting as an acid or if it is acting as a reducing agent, in both cases the N factor of this is equals to 2. So keeping in mind, we can calculate the normality by using the formula that molarity into N factor is equals to normality. So let us find out the molarity of this solution first. So how to get the molarity? So we have 3 grams and we have to divide it by the molecular mass of oxalic acid, which is equal to COH whole twice, that is equal to 90 grams plus 2 water, that means 36 grams. So that is equals to 126 gram is the molecular mass. If the molecular mass is 126 grams, so this implies that mole is equals to 3 upon 126 mole of oxalic acid, and this is dissolved in 250 ml. So our formula is molarity is equals to number of moles divided by volume in liters. So 3 upon 126 divided by 0.250 liters. So that is coming out to be 3 upon 126 into 250 and this into 1000. That is the molarity. So what is normality? Normality will be twice of this. So twice into 3 into 1000 divided by 126 into 250, cancelling it out. This is 4, cancelling it out. This is 63. So effectively this is 12 upon 63, and upon solving we are going to this value equals to 0.05. So molarity is nearly normality is equals to 0.09. This is 0.19. Okay. Now next thing which we have to find is molality. So for molality, let us find out the molality. Molality is equals to number of mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So we have added the mole of solute is equals to, we have already calculated, mole of solute was 3 upon 126 mole. But when you added 3 moles of this one in 250 ml solution, 3 grams you have added and you made this into 250 ml solution. The density of this was given and the density of this was given as to be 1.9 grams per ml. So that means if we divide this 250 by 250 ml and if we multiply it by density 1.9 grams per ml, we are going to get what? Mass of solution. And the mass of solution will be 25 into 19. That is 475 grams. In out of 475 grams, we have 3 grams of the oxalic acid, we must remember. So what is the mass of solute here? What is the mass of solvent here? The mass of solvent is 475 minus 3 is equals to 472 grams. So our formula will become here. Let's write here, small m will be 3 upon 126 divided by 472 divided by 1000. So that will come out to be 3 upon 126 into 1000 upon 472. That will be the molality. So that's obviously a calculative question. Correct option is C, and the solution is looks like this. Summary of the solution looks like this. Stay tuned for discussion of such questions. Thanks for watching.